If you're running a small business and you're not using AI tools yet, you're leaving money and time on the table. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 10 AI tools that cover marketing, video, social media, customer service, and automation. All beginner-friendly, all affordable. I've organized these 10 tools into 5 categories so you can jump straight to what matters most for your business. Every tool has a free tier or free trial, and none of them require any coding or technical knowledge. Let's go. Number 1, Canva AI. The Magic Design feature generates professional layouts from a simple text description. Need a social media post, flyer, or presentation? Describe what you want and Canva builds it for you. The background remover and text-to-image tools are incredible time savers. Free plan works great. Pro is $13 a month for the full AI suite. Number 2, ChatGPT. Use it to write ad copy, email campaigns, product descriptions, blog posts, and social media captions. Create a custom instruction with your brand voice and target audience, and every response comes out on brand. The free version is powerful enough for most small businesses. $20 a month for Plus. Number 3, Synthesia. This tool creates professional videos using AI avatars. You type a script, pick an avatar, and it generates a video with a realistic presenter. Perfect for training videos, product demos, and social media content when you don't want to be on camera. Plans start at $22 a month. Number 4, ElevenLabs. Need professional voiceovers for your videos, ads, or phone systems? ElevenLabs generates incredibly realistic voice audio from text. You can even clone your own voice so your content always sounds like you. The free tier gives you enough to test it out. Paid plans start at $5 a month. Number 5, Zapier. This is the glue that connects all your other tools. When someone fills out a form, Zapier can automatically add them to your email list, send a welcome message, create a task in your project manager, and log it in a spreadsheet. All without you touching anything. The free plan covers basic automations. Paid plans start at $20 a month. Number 6, Buffer with its built-in AI assistant. It helps you write social media posts, suggests optimal posting times, and lets you schedule content across all platforms from one dashboard. The AI generates post ideas based on your topic and audience. Free for up to 3 channels. Paid plans start at $6 a month per channel. Number 7, Tidio AI. Put a smart chatbot on your website that answers customer questions around the clock. It learns from your FAQ and product pages, handles order inquiries, and seamlessly hands off to a human when needed. Free plan covers basic chat. AI features start at $29 a month. Number 8, Otter.ai. It joins your video calls automatically, transcribes everything in real time, and delivers a summary with action items after the meeting. No more scrambling to take notes. Free plan gives you 300 minutes a month. Pro is $17 a month. Number 9, Perplexity AI. Need to research competitors, find industry data, or answer a complex business question? Perplexity searches the web and gives you a clear, sourced answer in seconds. Way faster than manually Googling. Free to use. Pro is $20 a month for unlimited searches. Number 10, Notion AI. Combine your notes, projects, wikis, and databases in one place, then let the AI summarize, draft, and organize everything for you. It's the perfect home base for all the content and research the other 9 tools help you create. Free for solo users. AI add-on is $10 a month. So that's the full list. Canva AI for design, ChatGPT for copy, Synthesia for video, ElevenLabs for voice, Zapier for automation, Buffer for social media, Tidio for customer support, Otter for meetings, Perplexity for research, and Notion AI to organize it all. You don't need all 10. Start with the 2 or 3 that solve your biggest bottleneck. If this was helpful, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I break down AI tools every week in plain, simple English. Drop a comment and let me know which tool you're going to try first or which one surprised you the most. See you in the next video.